Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a really cute eyeshadow look, perfect for the spring and the summer. Okay, so for primer I'm going to use this Cover FX blurring primer. This primer is super good. I have dry skin, so it really helps.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you
I always think I put too much primer on, but I don't know if is there a way to put too much primer on? I don't know.
Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight.
For brows, I am going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and this is going to be in the shade 5.
I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you, but if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just.
So to conceal my brows, I am going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and this is going to be in the shade Chestnut.
Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow.
Okay, so now I'm going to take this knockoff Artiste brush, and I'm just going to blend that concealer in, okay, and out. I'm going to tap it in, tap in motions, and then I'm going to blend it out.
Tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
So now I'm just going to go in with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to blend out all of this.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not.
Okay, so for foundation, I am going to use Nars, and this is going to be in the shade Marquises. Usually I do my eyes right now, but I'm trying to switch it up a little bit.
There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
And I'm just going to blend this in with my Sonia Kashuk flat top foundation brush.
Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No.
So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal my eyes using the Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut.
I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our own core. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our own.
I'm shooting in daylight, so if you see the lights go in and out, it's because I don't have a ring light on. I'm in front of a window, so I promise you it is the sun, okay?
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end.
Now I'm just gonna set my eyes using the Mercier translucent setting powder.
Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
So in today's video, I'll be playing in the ColourPop California Love palette. We're just gonna go in with the shades of it.
Boy, I can tell, so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough?
So now that we have that shadow on, I am going to take Mission, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease with that one.
Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Or you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriend.
And now I'm just going to go in with Gold Rush.
No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything.
Now I'm just going to go in with the bang to clean up the edges.
I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be.
And then I'm just going to add cruising to the inner corner, to the inner part.
Girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no.
I'm just going to line my lashes using the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner in black.
So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Okay, so now to conceal under my eyes and brighten a little bit, I'm going to use the same concealer that I've been using. And it is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer.
Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
NY to LA with it, NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. Know a babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you fall from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush First I re-up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree.
I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, don't forget to hit a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Until the next video,